Welcome. Today we're going to be discussing the Managing Test Administrators function of eDIRECT. Goals by the end of this presentation: to know how to add an individual test administrator, also called a TA, know how to upload multiple TAs through a CSV file, and how to create a TA number. Really quickly, just an overview of the test administrator roles versus the teacher roles within eDIRECT, and those roles are managed in user management. The test administrator role is typically used for summative assessments, so your LEAP 2025, your EOCs, your LEAP Connect and Law 1 assessments. This requires a 3-digit TA number for test administration. A test administrator role must be tied to a test administrator number. A teacher role is used for non-summative assessments, so your LEAP 360 diagnostic and interims, as well as the LEAP 2025 practice test. This requires a TA number for the creation of student groups. Student groups are designed this year to link teachers with students. In order to create a student group, a TA must be assigned using a TA number within that teacher role. And an overview of the Test Administrator tab. Test administrators may either be created individually or in an upload for multiple TAs. Each TA, again, must have a 3-digit TA number in eDIRECT for both computer-based and paper-based testing. And if you need any detailed information, you can, of course, reference the eDIRECT user guide posted in eDIRECT under General Information. To access the Test Administrator Management tab, log into eDIRECT, select All Applications, and then from there, select the Test Administrator Management tab. To add an individual test administrator, click on the Edit Test Administrator tab, choose an administration, and then click Add Test Administrator at the bottom of the screen. The Add Test Administrator screen will appear. Enter the required fields and click Save, or click Save and add another to continue adding test administrators. If you'd like to add multiple test administrators at one time, you can do this through the Upload Multiple Test Administrators tab. To do this, download the file layout, which is a PDF document, as well as the sample file, which is a CSV text file. You'll enter the required fields into the CSV using that file layout as a guide. Some of the required fields are going to be the administration, the district and school, the last name and first name of the test administrator, as well as creating that TA number. TA numbers must be 3 digits and it must be greater than 100. You will also need the teacher email. Please ensure when you're entering the teacher email that it matches the email used in user management when developing either that test administrator or teacher role for that user. And then you'll save that CSV file to your computer. From there, you can browse within eDIRECT, look for that file that you saved to your computer, and click Upload. After you've uploaded that file, a message is going to display indicating the file is in process and being checked for errors. After the file's been validated, you can review its status. If the file happens to contain errors, you must correct them, go through, edit that CSV, save it to your computer, and then repeat steps 4 and 5 to browse and upload back to eDIRECT. If at any point you'd like to view or edit your test administrators, go back to that Edit Test Administrator tab. To search and just view an individual test administrator or TA number, choose an administration, and you can click on Find Test Administrators. A list of all the test administrators for your district will appear. If at any point you'd like to edit individual test administrators or TA numbers, you'll click the View Edit icon under the Action column, make any changes in that test administrator screen, and click Save. If you need any additional support, we have our user guides that are all posted in eDIRECT, the eDIRECT user guide, the technology user guide for test coordinators, and the EAGLE 2.0 user guide for anybody accessing the LEAP 360 system. If technical problems happen to occur in this process, school and district staff should follow the protocol presented below. The DRC helpline is listed, and of course, all questions can be emailed to assessment@la.gov. This concludes our overview of the Test Administrator Management tab.